Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. So today is a bonus episode as I have designed this outfit myself and I'm going to take you through the process, how I've designed it, and then I'm going to take you through the wearing and styling part of it. So yeah, get excited guys. Let's begin with the video. So I had this black crepe piece at home and this is what the material is like. It's a very nice crepe piece. You can see it from the shine and finish. And I had this black dupatta which I really wanted to use. I also had these few accessories which I didn't like this one, so we are going to skip on this one, but I used this Jaipuri gota flowers to enhance it, and this was also something that was available at my home, so I just wanted to utilize it. And now I'll show you the final design. Let me take you through the sketching part. So I wanted an A-line shirt with a little bit of detailing, and I wanted to pair it up with the tulip salwar so that it can be little different, and a maroon dupatta. Well, so this is what my outfit looks like. I use the piping for the border, and look at how beautiful it looks. It's A-line shaped, and even we used it here, and this has the gota everywhere. Like, this is what the design looks like. Look at how stunning it has come out to be. And then for the salwar, this has lining over here. So this is what it looks like. Now let me wear it and show it to you guys how it looks. Check it out guys. I love the fit. It's so beautiful. And let me show you. This is what it looks like. Now let's move to the styling part. Well, for the styling part of it, I think I'm just going to do bracelets. So I am wearing all my Daniel Wellington bracelets together. They're all in gold shade, so it won't be a problem to match them. Yeah, they look pretty decent. They look sound more like bangles, but they're all stacked together and they're adjustable. So I think this is it for the accessories because of the part. I don't want to over accessorize, but I feel this looks pretty decent. And let me show you the whole styling now. So I'm adding these Punjabi juttis, and now let me quickly show you my dupatta. So this is the dupatta with it, and it looks pretty Punjabi. Well, that's the way my makeup looks, and I think this is one of my simplest and bestest creations till date. It's so simple yet it makes up a statement. So I'm very happy with the way this outfit has turned out. It looks so subtle and yet it is impactful. That's how I love my outfits to be. I hope you enjoyed the styling part as well. And please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you very soon. I hope you enjoy my Indian wear outfit from scratch series, and please show it some love by sharing it with your friends and family. And I will see you very soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Much love. Mwah. Bye.